My name is Joe Garner. I'm the Director of Operations here at JLS. To be able to hit that 70th milestone, it's really remarkable. You have to have respect, you have to have communication, and you have to have empathy. And that's the culture here at JLS. You don't find that every day, everywhere. And that's really the differentiator for us. And what really energizes me and my passion for coming every day is really the growth, and to be able to take my experience, my knowledge, and share that with an organization that is really scaling and growing the business. It's exciting every day. What we're experiencing is a journey, and how can we create that continuous improvement culture to be able to pass this on to the next generation? You look at manufacturing today, we've got a void, and to be able to take my experience, our experience, and pass that on to the next generation, that's really exciting for us.